can tell it's a holiday weekend in our town. Guess who I bumped into? Kofuzi.
Hiyo.
Morning, everybody. So we are on our way to get a little shopping done in Aspen, Ireland. Zane, oops, I called you Ireland. In Ireland are hanging out at Grandma's today for a little bit while we get a little shopping done. And then it's fireworks tonight in our town. So
don't forget Masha and Reddington.
Yes, Masha and Reddington came with to play. Where are they?
They're in the house.
Oh, they're in Grandma's? All right.
He went poo-poo and pee-pee.
Good job.
Oh, there's the van. There's Mom.
Hi.
There's me. There's Mom. Camera.
I see you.
There's me. I'm going down the street. Ah. Bye, Mom.
Where are you going? On an adventure?
Yes.
Are you gonna find lions and tigers with those binoculars?
Yes. Helicopter. What? Hi. Where are you going? Oh, there. Why?
Find Ireland. A pine cone, huh?
I want to.
Oh, this tree is full of pine cones, you guys. This is one of their favorite climbing trees.
It landed.
It landed in the tree? Yes, it did. Where'd it go? So, we're going in, getting some dog food, cat food, all that good stuff that you need.
Garbage bags.
Garbage bags that you need for the house. So, let's go. We're on our way to pick up Sky from work on our way home. And we're trying to get Mr. Aspen. He's being such a good boy. We're trying to get him to take a nap in the car.
Mommy.
Why are you going to take a nap?
Mommy.
What?
I'm gonna sit up late in my fireworks.
Yeah, so you gotta take a nap, right? Yeah, so we're trying to get him to take a nap so that he can stay up a little later and not get too groggy.
I don't want them now.
They're not out yet. You gotta wait till it's dark. All right, take your nap. Not yet. Take your nap. This could take a minute.
I already said to Zane, I was like, he wasn't telling me that he had little things, candies in his mouth. I was like, if we say that they're little baby Sour Patch Kids, then I was like, I can smell that you've been eating little Sour Patch Kids.
Well, it's a holiday weekend in our town because this is a boating river town. Look at this. It's like this all the way down to Bussy Lake. Cars, people, boats everywhere. Fireworks go off tonight, so everybody's going to be out on their party barges and their boats watching the fireworks on the river. So this is the main street, guys, and this is only about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And people are already lined up, there's music going on in the park. They're having a regular old party down here. Funnel cakes, farms, Shanghai, ooh, Chinese, brain freezer, bounce houses. Water balloon launch.
It's an escape room.
They have an escape room?
Yeah. An RV that they made into an escape room.
Oh, the fire department's here. Oh, they've got a little kid dressed up in fireman's clothes at the school.
I set two. One right here and here, right here, and right there.
You are all decked out. Are you ready for the 4th of July? Yeah, you ready for fireworks tonight?
Yeah.
Me too. Ireland is going to be my helper carrying in some bags from Walmart. What do we have?
We have this one right.
Here's some kitty food. Take the kitty food in. Hold it by the handle. Go ahead and hold it. Oh. Well, because then you can carry more than one for Mama.
Oh.
Okay. And guess what? You can carry this because it looks heavy, but it's super light. It's lightweight litter. Got it? Okay. I'll grab the rest.
I can hold one more bag.
You can hold one more? How about that? Got it? All right, thank you. We have a special surprise for our kitty.
Oh, she's
So I'm getting ready to feed the cat, but I learned something really cool from Cousin Stacy. See these? So these are a little single serving cat food. And she actually found out from her vet that giving your cat dry food all the time can cause urinary tract infections. So she actually feeds her cats wet food in the morning and then some dry food in the evening. So I got these for Miss Bleep, and they're little Iams, and then she has the Iams dry food for in the evening. So see how she likes it. I'm sure she's gonna, because most cats like that wet food. Well, somebody is loving her new food. Is that good, Miss Bleep? Wake up? Did you have a nap? Hey, wake up. Aspen, you gonna wake up? Did you have a good nap? We're gonna watch fireworks tonight. Hey. Aspen and I came outside to play for a while before the fireworks, but I wanted to give you an update on how the garden's doing. So you gotta see this.
That really big wasp in the house that was flying.
Yeah, there was a really big bee in the house, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the big fuzzy ones.
Yeah.
It wasn't very happy at me because I sprayed it.
Mommy,
I'll hold you. Oh, he's been such a cuddle bug, you guys. Are you my honey? Should we show him our flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show him the flowers. Come on. Okay guys, so we don't have any new buds on our rose bush on this one on the right side of the house, but it's looking nice and healthy, and some of the old flowers have died off. So I'm just waiting to see if we get some fresh buds, which I think we will, but it just takes time for that new growth to come up. And then look at this. So this is the old hydrangeas that die off, but look at, we have so many new ones and all these new buds are coming up. This one is nice and healthy. So remember I was telling you about my hydrangea on the left side of the house? It looks beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at this. So there is some black on the leaves here, but this is the original. All this new stuff now, it's got some dirt on it from when I was digging up the lilac bush, but it has all kinds of new shoots.
Mom.
It's not dead. It's healthy. And everything new coming in looks beautiful. So I think this is going to do really well.
Dead.
It is. You think so, huh? And then I have to do some weeding on the rose, but look at this. It's in good shape, you guys. So I thought it was dying off because I saw so much of this, but it's not. It was so bloomed and full of flowers that they all died at once and made it look really bad. But look at this. It's got new buds all over getting ready to sprout. And some new ones growing. So I think this is going to do really well. We just need to leave well enough alone. And the pink isn't quite as vibrant as on the other side, but I noticed that with some of the new growth on that one, and now they're coming in really vibrant. So we'll see. I think this one's actually going to last for us. It just needed time to readjust. But look at this. This is the geranium the kids gave me, and it has so many shoots and new flowers coming off of it. It just looks beautiful. It's loved all this rain that we've gotten. That bad weather was good for something. It brought a lot of these plants back to life. But yeah, we are just outside enjoying this beautiful, what is it?
Yeah.
June? July. No, today's July 1st. Beautiful July day. Losing track of the dates. It is nice out, isn't it? It's perfect weather.
No, I'm talking about.
75.
I'm talking about.
Talking about what?
Fire truck coming.
Fire trucks? I don't know. Where is the fire truck? I have no idea. I've been trying to keep him somewhat clean.
Fireworks.
Yeah, to go to the fireworks. But I have this amazing dirt pile, you guys, from digging up my lilac bush, which I'm not done with yet. And it is just too tempting for a 3-year-old. So I'm thinking we're going to be kind of dirty when we go to the fireworks tonight. But at least he's having fun. Are you making bracelets for our garage sale tea? I like the color of this one.
I have a purple one.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's green and purple.
Sparkly.
Let me see. Let me see.
What you made, Aspen?
No, I want one.
What'd you make?
A bracelet.
A bracelet chocolate. So this is really cool. Guess who I bumped into? Kofuzi. It is. All of a sudden we turn around and he's like, hey, I know you.
Yeah.
That is so cool. So super noisy. The kids are gearing up for the fireworks tonight, getting ultra excited about it. But that was so cool getting to see Kofuzi at the gas station today. And if you guys don't know who Kofuzi is, his channel is in the description box down below, so check it out. But I have been wanting to meet Kofuzi for quite some time because we don't live that far away. He's out of Chicago, and of course, we're here in Guttenberg. So it was really cool to just run into him at the gas station. Super neat. Thanks for stopping by, guys. So we found the best spot to watch the fireworks. There's nobody in here, and we're at our local park. I know it's hard to see us because it's really dark, but the kids are all sitting on top of a picnic table. And look at that. That's going to be a perfect view, you guys. How cool is that?